everyone, it's Kim. Today's video is the last episode of my first series here on YouTube, Descendants Park Decorations and Preparations. I hope you guys enjoyed this whole series and got new ideas. In this video, you're going to be seeing the last candy bar I did for the Descendants party. I hope you guys enjoy and let's get right into it. Make sure to subscribe down below if you haven't done so already, and make sure to click on the little bell to be notified of when I upload those new videos. I hope you guys enjoyed and got new ideas. Do it at home with your friends and family. God bless you guys so much, and thank you guys so much for watching. Bye!